This is a room tour of our room number 3353 at the Lopesan, Costa, Bavaro in Punta Cana in Dominican Republic. So this is a junior suite Oceanview. So going straight in, look at this very spacious room. I love the common decor and the color. There's a king bed nightstand with lamps on each side. We have a large sofa against the wall here, a small table, and then a single lamp and chair in this corner. Did I say spacious? So there's more seating here, and on this side there's a long counter and a dresser with the TV above. In this cabinet under the dresser is a mini fridge, safe, drinking glasses, etc. Then moving on, here is a wardrobe, and there is also an area where you can sit or store luggage and clothing, shoes, etc. They do provide inside the wardrobe robe, beach towels, beach bag. It's adequate storage here. There's also an ironing board and an iron. Next, we have the bathroom and the shower area. Large walk-in shower with a rain shower and handheld shower as well. And here is a nice and bright vanity and the toilet area. So that's the room. Take another look at it. Again, as I said, it is very spacious. Let's take a walk to the balcony. Again, very, very spacious. There's a sofa and a table out here, 2 chairs and another table. And this is the view. Enjoy. Again, this is an Oceanview Junior Suite at the Lopesan, Costa, Bavaro in Punta Cana. It's Lenice. Contact me for more information.